Okay, enough. Okay, and lower beak is little, not that much bigger, like this. So that much, okay, that much after that. So you can make it little bit of darker. This shades. Just make feeling in this eagle is actually not kind of eagle family, but it's something different. Okay, so this basic shape is done. So here, see here in this circle, little bit of top, like here, you can make it like this. Eyes should be full of circle, but you can see the half circle. It's a full circle, but you can see the half circle like this. Okay, and make it like this. I make some shading like this. See, so only eyes I make little detail, not much detail, little details, because if you are draw properly, proper eyes, no, it's your drawing looks more nice. Okay, so now this is the basic shape of the birds, like this. 1, 2. Okay, the basic shape of this bird is look like this. The basic shape of birds like this. This is the basic shape of these birds. Okay. So when you have captured the basic composition, so then it is easy. Okay. Done that much, take time. Okay, I'm not doing very details, but I show you. See, this part is a dark line, and here some feather, you can put some feather like this. Okay, this is, and here some like small line, and make sure this is line is like this. Okay, this form like this. दादा की चाह दिए छो भाई जैसे ना. So make its line like this. Okay, something like that.
Sir, please wait.
Yeah, I can wait. Yeah. Take time. Take time.
Can you once again do the stroke for that
Yes, ma'am.
outline what you did like those things.
This
No,
thing.
not that one. Inner one. After you
This one or this one?
how we are feathery outline.
This line.
That stroke how you do. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. This is feathery, right? Yeah. So actually, this line actually I'm used no like
Okay, this is stroke. Okay.
yeah. So slow to dark like. So when do like this strokes look like this. Here is a dark and here is a light. So how to do this like this?
Okay.
So I do like my main motor is pressure over here and then light.
Okay.
So I do like these things I apply here. So these birds are something feather over here in top of it. This is very rare African wizard. So here the feather like it. See, this is like this, like feather. If you make it dark, you can put dark lines over here. Just random sketching. Develop your random sketching. Like this. Take time, आराम से. I just okay. Take your time. I just make it make it like this. Just settings like this. This part is dark, so you can put a dark. Just do the sketch. Take time.
So what is the name of this bird?
This Actually, this wizard, some African wizard actually. Some name have, but I don't know that name exact. Okay, just random shadings. While you need it dark, you can put something dark color. Take your time and do this.